Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
Good evening to you, Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum here. We are talking about more of that disruptive, unsettled weather here across central Alabama. Very much like summertime here. We have warm, humid weather out there, not as hot, but we have those storms popping up with the heating of the day. And that's going to continue all the way through the weekend with a daily chance of those storms. Some of them strong, borderline severe with some gusty winds around 40 to 60 miles per hour, some small pea-sized hail, and heavy rain, along with a lot of lightning, too, a lot of lightning strikes. So be sure to pack your umbrella. If you don't have the CBS 42 app downloaded, please do it. We've merged our weather app and news app together, so you only need one app versus two apps. And you can track those storms on the radar, get our thoughts and much more on what's going on around town. Now, that is going to be a lot of rain. You can see here we are talking about that chance of rain. Still fairly high, 60%. Could include tomorrow morning as well. It does decrease as we head throughout the rest of the week and into the weekend, so that's at least some good news. You can see on Futurecast, though, we are talking about some of those scattered storms out there, tapering off a little bit by 11 o'clock this evening, but refiring back up. Look at this for that morning commute, potentially right over Birmingham. So we'll have to keep an eye out for that tomorrow morning. And then more numerous storms, just like we've seen the last couple of days, 3 o'clock in the afternoon as the kids come home from school Thursday, a little more rain in the evening. Friday morning, maybe a cluster this time up across northwest Alabama, and then we'll see fewer storms on Friday, a little more sunshine. Warmer temperatures are expected to be into the 80s for everyone there by 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So do be prepared for a little more warmer weather out there and a little less coverage of that rain. So take a look here what we're expecting as we head toward Talladega race weekend. Again, if you're heading out there Friday, we'll have some scattered storms, so keep that in mind. For the races on Saturday, there's a spotty storm possible, so have to keep an eye out for that, and a low chance for a shower on Sunday. Temperatures will be getting into the middle 80s, warm and humid out there for the races this weekend. So overall, not looking too bad this year. Looking ahead, though, next week we'll see temperatures in the mid-80s, 85 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, about 84 degrees. A low chance for storms each day, but it'll be warm, it'll be humid out there, so get ready for those muggy conditions to persist next week with more of that summer-like weather. And that's a look at your evening weather around the clock.